Hello, today I'm going to be talking about how to create a product display ad using Amazon Marketing Services. And this is a self-serve ad platform. It's pretty easy to use, although the first time you try it may be a little bit daunting. So this video is going to try to explain kind of the basics of creating this type of ad. And it shouldn't take that long, maybe 15 minutes or so. So before I get started on actually creating an ad, I want to show you what product display ads look like. And in the other videos I've done, I've shown you what headline search ads look like and what sponsored product ads look like. Product display ads are shown on other products pages. So this is the product detail page for 1984 by George Orwell. And if you scroll down to the middle of the page, you'll see something that says sponsored products related to this item. That's not what we're talking about. This is another type of ad called a sponsored product ad. The product display ad is usually right below the buy box or the description. And in this case, it's this ad here. It says Dead Monkeys, $3.99. I've seen other versions of the product display ads which have a tagline. So here's another example. This is below. This is for like a iPhone screen protector or something. Here's the buy box, and then right below it, there was an ad for this USB stick. It's easy to fill up your iPhone. Now it's easy to empty it. I've just put the arrow there just to show it, because sometimes it's not quite obvious where they are. So that's what product display ads look like. They may also show up on your mobile device if you're using the Amazon app or the Amazon mobile site. So they show up in a bunch of different places. Some people don't like them. They don't think they're as effective, and in a way that's understandable, because it's so easy to scroll past them. Because when you're looking at a book like this, and you're scrolling down to find out more information about it, you might want to go straight to the editorial reviews or the product details. You might even miss a little ad like that. But anyways, this is how you create one of the ads. Go to Amazon Marketing Services, either the home screen or the campaign manager. That's what this screen is right here. And look for a yellow button or a button that says create a campaign or new campaign. You'll come to this screen. A couple different options here. These options may change a little bit depending on the type of AMS ad account that you have. So my ad account is through Amazon Advantage program. So they give me access to these 4 different types of ads. So select product display. Now, right off the bat, you'll start to get a bunch of somewhat perplexing questions if you've never used this type of ad before. Choose a targeting method. Product, target shoppers viewing specific products or categories. Or interest, target shoppers with specific interests. And what I find confusing about this is that specific interests and categories actually sound pretty similar. And in fact, they are very similar. So let's take a look at interest. First, choose a product to advertise. So I'm going to be advertising this book that my company publishes, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by Angela Rose. I want to put an advertisement for this book. This is on my own website, by the way, here. I want to put an ad for this book on Amazon so people might see it. So in the little search engine here, you type LinkedIn in 30 minutes. Search. Okay, the paperback edition shows right up. So let's select that. A little summary of what the product is in Amazon's display advertising network. So then here are the interests for the campaign. So for a book like LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, you might be searching for books about business investing, computers and internet. Let's add that too. I was actually hoping there would be an interest called careers, but there's not. I've looked around in that. Or lifestyle, hobby, and professional. You may think, oh, professional, that's me. What about people who love their jobs or office workers? But actually, there's nothing there. The interests are actually for other stuff. So sometimes that's not so effective. Now, if I wanted to, I'd go through and continue to create the ad. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm actually going to choose another type of product display ad.